Hi, this is my first day recording myself on camera. I am starting by my 100-day English communication challenge, and this is my first day. I am feeling nervous, but I have decided myself to make a 4 to 5 minutes video every day, upload it like for next 100 days. I am going to do this every single day without missing out, and I am doing this to improve my communication, pronunciation, and my confidence. So this is my first step. My speaking might not be great and might seem awkward, but nothing gets better on day one. I want to speak clearly and own my voice. I don't know how I speak. I don't know how I sound, but I guess that is fine. I don't want to feel embarrassed speaking to nail it. I will practice whether I feel like it or not. I will practice shadowing, tongue twister, reading books, and record myself every day. Today, I want to start something simple. Why I am doing this? I want to get better at speaking confidently. I want to stop my overthinking every sentence. I want to sound clear and actually like myself. I want to be scared of my own voice, and the only way to fix is my speaking regularly.